having the right mirrorless camera can completely change your photography. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras so you'll never have to suffer with poor quality photos and videos that don't live up to your expectations again. The issue is that a mirrorless camera might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most mirrorless cameras are not made with the same people in mind. That's why I made sure to include options for professional photos, vlogging, and even budget-friendly choices. No matter what you're looking for, I've got the ideal mirrorless camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on the cameras mentioned in this video are in the description below. The cameras are listed in no particular order, so make sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First, I have the Sony a7 IV. I picked this as the best mirrorless camera for most people because compared to other mirrorless cameras on the market, it gives you a perfect balance of features that anyone can appreciate. Probably one of the best things about the a7 IV is its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, which surpasses most cameras. It has incredible dynamic range, unbeatable low-light performance, and overall the quality is just amazing. So, whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this camera gives you photos and videos that will show off your work in stunning clarity. Another cool feature is the autofocus system, which many experienced photographers report as being one of the best in the game right now. With 759 phase detection points and real-time eye tracking for humans and animals, you can rest assured that whether you're capturing a fast-paced sporting event or an unpredictable pet, the a7 IV will keep your subject sharp and in focus. For vloggers and videographers, you'll be happy to know the a7 IV is no slouch in the videography department either. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color depth, making it a solid tool for professional-grade content creation. And thanks to Sony's advanced heat dissipation, the camera stays cool to the touch, even during long recording sessions, so you don't have to worry about overheating. You'll also enjoy the benefits of 5-axis in-body stabilization, which keeps your shots smooth even when you're on the move, and its dual card slots give you flexibility for backups or simultaneous RAW and JPEG recording. On the downside, it's not the lightest camera out there, weighing in at 1.45 pounds. Some people complain about the menu system being a bit complex, but those are small trade-offs for what you're getting. Overall, this camera is advanced enough for professionals, but affordable enough for hobbyists. And because it hits that sweet spot for producing amazing quality, with great resolution and dynamic range, all at an affordable price, it is the best camera for most people. Next, I have the Canon EOS R7, which I picked as the best camera for the money. The reason I chose it is simply because it is the most reasonably priced high-end camera that can deliver photos and videos on par with other premium mirrorless cameras on the market, but at the lowest price. For starters, the EOS R7 is equipped with a 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor. It's a powerful sensor system for a camera at this price, which gives you high-resolution images with beautiful clarity. This camera is also great for wildlife, sports, and action photography. This is due to its 15 frames per second mechanical shutter and an insane 30 frames per second electronic shutter, which allows you to take crisp action shots. On top of that, Canon has also packed in a dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 system for fast and precise focus tracking for any moving subjects. This includes advanced subject detection for animals, vehicles, and people, making it incredibly versatile for practically any type of action photographer. In simplest terms, Canon didn't skimp on anything and definitely designed this camera with action photography in mind. On the video side, the R7 supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second, oversampled from 7K for extra sharpness, and it includes options for 10-bit HDR, allowing for fantastic color reproduction. Plus, it features in-body image stabilization, which pairs well with Canon's RF and RFS lenses to give you steady footage and photos even in tricky conditions. This is a huge plus for moto or action photography. The 18 to 150mm kit lens adds even more versatility, giving you amazing zoom range for everything from wide-angle shots to detailed close-ups. While the APS-C sensor might not perform as well as full-frame cameras in low light, the R7's Digic X processor helps reduce noise and maintain quality, giving you consistency in both your photos and videos. The only real downside is you may notice slight background blurriness. I mean, it's just not the same as a full-frame sensor camera, but other than that, this is a camera for any photographer or videographer looking to get good bang for their buck, and definitely worth checking out. Next, I have the Canon R6 Mark II. I picked this camera because it is the best hybrid mirrorless camera that delivers both stunning pictures and fantastic videos. It's a great pick for any type of content creator who needs both photos and videos and who doesn't want to compromise on quality for either. To begin with, worth. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, which is a big step up from its predecessor. It delivers stunning image quality with one of the best low-light performances you'll see from any camera on the market. The lower pixel count is what gives you a good balance of resolution, low-light performance, and file size, making it versatile for both general photography and videography projects. Also, thanks to Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, you'll have fast and accurate autofocus at your fingertips, with subject tracking for any moving object. Motovloggers love this camera for this very reason. And let's not forget about its burst shooting capabilities, which are next level, with up to 12 frames per second when using the mechanical shutter and a jaw-dropping 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode. This really is a real-deal action camera. On the video side, the R6 Mark II doesn't hold back either. It offers 6K oversampled 4K video at 60 frames per second, which delivers sharp cinematic footage. It also supports 10-bit 422 HDR recording for richer colors and improved dynamic range. Plus, the in-body image stabilization works wonders for handheld video. I also want to add that the battery life is quite impressive thanks to the upgraded LPE6NH battery. You'll get extended shooting time compared to the original R6, and with dual SD card slots, you can back up your work in real time. It's easy to separate photo and video files for easier management when editing them later. One minor drawback is the lack of an LCD top screen, which some pros might miss for quick settings adjustments. The Canon R6 Mark II is still the best overall hybrid mirrorless camera. If you are looking for a single camera to handle both professional photography and videography projects, look no further than this. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these cameras almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like. Next, I have the Nikon Z6 III. I picked this camera because it is the best camera specifically for photography. While you can still record great quality videos with this beauty, if you are a professional photographer and your goal is to find the best mirrorless camera for photography, this is the cream of the crop. So what makes the Nikon Z6 III so amazing for photographers? Well, with a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers insane detail, perfectly balanced colors, and excellent low-light performance, you can't find a mirrorless camera that produces better overall picture quality. Its upgraded Speed 7 processor gives you lightning-fast performance, which is fantastic for capturing sporting moments precisely when they happen. The Nikon's 493-point phase detection autofocus system, now enhanced with AI-driven subject detection, is also top of class. It tracks people, animals, and vehicles automatically. For burst shooting, the Z6 III offers an impressive 14 frames per second with full autofocus and exposure tracking, which is ideal for capturing action shots. And thanks to its dual card slots, you'll have plenty of storage options for those high-resolution files. With all that storage space, it really is the ultimate tool for any professional photographer. On top of all that, this bad boy is built to last. With its magnesium alloy body, which is fully weather-sealed, you can shoot in challenging environments and under any weather conditions without worrying about damage. The 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen makes composing and reviewing shots a breeze, and the high-resolution 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder provides a clear, lifelike view of your scene. And although this is highly rated specifically for photography, it also shoots great videos, offering 4K UHD video at up to 60 frames per second with full pixel readout. For photographers seeking the perfect blend of performance, durability, and astounding image quality, the Nikon Z6 III truly stands out as the best mirrorless camera for photography. Last, I have the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark IIX. I picked this as the best mirrorless camera for videos. So if you're a vlogger or need a camera specifically for video and video editing, listen to what you can do with this beast. At its core, the S5 IIX boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor paired with Panasonic's phase hybrid autofocus system, which will give you exceptional speed and precision. Even in challenging lighting, or with those hard-to-capture moving subjects, you'll have no problem shooting clear shots. But where it truly shines is in video capabilities. The Lumix S5 IIX offers 6K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K 10-bit recording at up to 60 frames per second. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage or fast-paced action, the level of detail and color accuracy is just stunning. What sets it apart is the raw video output via HDMI, which allows for professional-level post-production. This is where you can really get a phenomenal final product. And if you're a video editor, you'll appreciate the level of convenience Panasonic put into this camera. For videographers seeking smooth handheld shooting, the active image stabilization is a game changer. It reduces shaking for stability with ultra-clear focusing that is going to give you professional, polished results. I can't honestly stress enough how great this camera is for videographers. I mean, the camera is just jam-packed with features that cater specifically to video creators like pro-level codecs, dual native ISO for clearer footage in low-light settings, and advanced tools like waveform motions. And beyond just taking videos, the S5 IIX isn't lacking in the photography department either. It offers superb image quality, a reliable 14-stop dynamic range, and fast burst shooting at 7 frames per second, making it competitive with some of the best top-tier cameras on the market in terms of its photography abilities. Overall, this is the ultimate mirrorless camera for videographers, and if you need a camera specifically for vlogging or videos, this is the upper echelon right here. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Till next time!